Good morning. A couple of people have asked to see some real flying from me, so I've decided to make the effort, get all the camera equipment out, and do a little test, see how what the footage looks like. But it's a lovely day, not too much wind, ice cold, but the sun's out, so we'll give it a little fly and see how it goes. So this is the Tron 7 Advance. I'm running an egodrift 4530 HS. I've run those for the past couple of years, really like them. It's got a Scorpion 130 in there. I'm trying out some aligned blades. These are the 690Ds. They're actually quite nice. They seem to suit the model. They don't get overly grabby at high head speed. And what else have we got? Just running the Maniacs pack. So these are the 5500s. So they're quite a big pack, but for F3N, where sometimes your set maneuver can take up to 6 minutes, sometimes you do need the bigger packs. Other than that, it's all standard. You've got some anti-spark AS150 connectors, and I'm running V-Control with the Neo. I've had that one for quite a few years, quite a few crashes, and it's been absolutely fine. So let's get it plugged in. Battery number 8. So the field is pretty wet after all this rain we've had, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here in the corner. We're still on the flight line, it's just out of the normal spot. There's no one else here today, so we'll be alright. And the plan is just to do some medium head speed, let's say medium head speed flying, which I think is about 1950, and the higher head speed on bank through 3 is about 2050, 2070. Let's give it a go. So it's not a bad little spot here in the corner. I generally only do it when there's no one here. And it's a bit tight with the hedge, and there's a tree just on the other side that you can't get too close to. But I find sometimes being in a tight spot like that actually helps you focus, and it really makes you aware of where the limits are. I quite enjoy it. But let's go up on the main. Let's put another pack in, and then we can go up on the main flight line and get a more exciting flight in.
It's going to be a high one. I'm going to do some TikToks on the way down.
Okay. I've lost sight of it on the.
Yeah.
Well, but I'm going to try and.
Yeah, we'll go really high. Right, going into a TikTok. There we go.